What's up, y'all? Today we have not fine cigars, but we do have a lock in the fine cigars bag. It doesn't smell like cigars. I guess this is the bag that you get if you buy fine cigars. What if you buy cheap cigars? Do they still give you a fine cigars bag? That's the question we all want to know. I mean, like I said, there's cheap cigars, and then there's expensive cigars. So if you buy the cheap cigars, does it come in a fine cigar bag? Who knows? Maybe they have a bag that says cheap cigars. But anyway, the more important thing is we're going to look at this lock. So what we have is a bird. It's a bird lock.
A bird? You want a bird?
I want my bird.
Hey, actually, it's a K-bird lock. I don't know if that means that's the K or what, but it is a pen tumbler, obviously. It's a mini paracentric key, so it's going to be like a Y6 or a Y52. This is a Y1, so it's just like a mini version of a Y1. We can tell that because of the little S keyway. You could actually probably use, if I reach back here behind me and grab a ABIS key, ABIS standard key, that'll probably go in, so we could actually use that as well. But we're going to use just a Y6 or Y52, depending on whether it's 4 or 5. What do y'all think? 4 or 5? Now this is one of those things where some quote locksmiths on our Reddit would be like, "Hey, let's just throw it out. Just throw out that cheap lock. That's ridiculous. Why are you spending time as money? Just put a new one in." But number one, look at the diameter. Number two, the nice beautiful lip there that covers up any bad holes. Number three, pen tumbler. Number four, kind of a unique kind of center. I mean, you could maybe make something else work, but yeah, we're just gonna take it apart and do what locksmiths do and make keys for it, because that is gonna be the most profit bring you back that you will have. It's just cost of a little bit of time and the actual key blanks instead of trying to sell them a new part or whatever the case is. But there we go. Take those two screws out. I don't know. Ooh, fancy. That's fancy. Look at that retainer. Fancy. We've got a spring right there. We need to be careful of that guy while we're working. Looks like it could slip out pretty easy. Okay, let me scoot the camera back a little bit. All right, that's not going to come out very easy. That is not pressing in very easy either. Come on, you can come out. Got some thin metal on these edges, so kind of be careful. I guess we're gonna have to. Oh, I'm worried about squeezing that. That does not look like something that really should be squeezed. And once we squeezed it, is it gonna come back out? Like, is it gonna spread back apart? That's the thing. That is gonna be a danger move right there. But we're gonna try it. Danger move. Danger move. Not good. Alright, we're gonna try this very gently with Nip-X. And the bolt just slipped out a second ago. It kind of took me by surprise. And by using these Nip-X, I'll have a little bit better control over it than I did with those crappy noodle nose. think we got it.
The surcharge is $60 and it's $12 per keyhole. But if you want to bring it in, it's $10 per keyhole and you don't have a surcharge.
Come on.
And then you can make all the keys for you.
Oh, I think we can. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Is it gonna come out? Ooh. Oh. We may actually have to pick this to be able to get it out because it's blocked in there. Okay. We can do that. We did it once. We can do it again. Should have left it in the picked position. I say we can do that, but you know. Just rake it a few times, hopefully. Oh, there we go. Boom, that's good. Oh, well, shoot. We gotta go the other way, and I don't have my spinner in here, so let's just go back. Let's go back to that spot. I don't even think the blade of my spinner would fit in here anyway. Oh, okay, there we go. We don't need no. Well, it's got to stop, so it's not gonna go past there. I was worried about that too. All right, well, let's just try to yank it off this way. Okay, there we go, we got it. Ew. Ew. Gross. Is that gonna come off if we pick it yet again? I don't know, let's see. Nope, yeah, it did. It indeed did. And we had a pin fly out right here. Let's go ahead and shim it. Which we probably could have done instead of picking it. But we're definitely going to have to shim it to follow it out because of all these little cutouts and such. Yeah, there we go. Come on. I don't even know if this follower, I don't think this follower is going to fit, y'all. Okay. Ugh, I hate to do that. We see exactly why it was caught. Well then, let's get that. One top pin back in there. Does that plug fall or fit? Let's get a new shim. Gonna try to get this shim over all of them. And it's certainly being problematic because we've got one jammed sideways. Aha, I see. We need something else now. There we go. Does this guy fit? That guy does fit. Okay, so let's go. Oh, but it won't fit past. Oh, shoot. Won't fit past that blocking ring thing right there. So, check out the springs, make sure they're okay. Bring this little guy over. Bring number one pin over. There it is. I found it. Haha. It looks like an upside down bottom pin. So let's go ahead and cut the key, and then we'll deal with those top ones in a minute. Scale small pin, 0 through 7. Get in there, and let's see what this might be. Might be. Ooh, look at that deep cut. Okay, so what's that? Maybe 6 or 5. We'll say 5, 1, 4, 3. 5, 1, 4, 3. 5, 1, 4, 3. Let's try 4. Let's try 4 before we do 5. I want to burn a blank. Nope, it was 5. I was right the first time, dang it. Five, 1, 4, 3. Gotta be 4, 3. Please don't mess up a blank. Dang it. So 5, 2, 5, 2, 3. 5, 5, 1.5, 3.5, 2.5. Well, yeah, or 2, 3. One. Three, 2. 5, 1, 3, 2. One's a little high. I think this may not be quite the right spacing, but that's close enough for right now. Whoa, that would have been horrible. Okay, let's look at the plug again. We're going to see why it caught. Look at that. So, literally, you can only turn it just a little bit. We couldn't turn it all the way like that because it catches when you go down. So, that's not good. Now let's try to get the let me see if I have a smaller. All right, I don't have a smaller one, so I'm just gonna have to hold the plug right there. It's gonna make it awkward to do. But it is what it is. It's kind of awkward holding it in this position. Causes massive hand cramps. Okay, let's put that shim on. And try to get it back together. Son of a bitch. Oh, son of a bitch. Dumped every one of them. Alrighty, y'all. Let's see if we can get this done without a whole lot of trouble. But we're having a whole lot of trouble. Always have a whole lot of trouble when you don't have the right size follower. Not necessarily the right size, but the right size for that back piece. It's like we need one with 2 different thicknesses. We need to trim this spring because it's got a little thingy sticking out. So I'll go ahead and get rid of that. Okay, that's good. When we got all the pins out, I'm going to go see if I can find something that'll work better, but it's got that lip, so no matter what we use, it's going to be problematic. Yeah, I think I have an idea. I don't know if this is going to work, y'all. But, see, this gets bigger, like so. It goes, you can like shove it in there about halfway. But let's try this. Okay, let's see if that. Oh, a little bit more. Maybe. Maybe. Better than just the pen itself. So now I'm going to back it out to the 4th spot. And we'll go and reload our top pins here, maybe. Nope. Okay. Now these top pins, the angle is facing down, so that's it gives us some clearance for the key for sure. Okay. So now, because of the little ledge on the key, we definitely still have to shim it because of this little ledge right there. So let us give that a go, maybe from behind. Maybe from the front. Okay, maybe from the front. Now, oh yeah, did we get it? I know we're probably gonna ruin this shim, but ha, ha, ha. Sweet. All right, let's keep our fingers crossed so we can get this back together. So I think this went this way. Yep, just like this. Get in there, just like that. Yep. Okay, just like that. So if we were to unlock it, has to have, so the retainer, shit. So the retainer, I guess that's how it goes. I'm so hesitant to slide this in, but let's give it a go. I don't know what just fell. Nah. Now look at you. That looks right. So now we're gonna probably need to just twist this a little bit. Keep it from slipping out. And that's it. The bird. Nothing like your retainer being the driver as well. Okay. I think that's gonna do it. I think we are good to go. Ah. Aha. Okay, now it's just a matter of copying 5 more and we're good to go. Well, that took a little bit longer than it should have because of that stupid little retainer, but there we go. That's the bird cabinet lock. Never seen one just like that before. Anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. If you have any questions or comments, as always, post them in the comment section. We'll catch y'all next video. I love it when a plan comes together.